Miss Spalding, what is going on in your classroom today?
Yeah!
What is the Shakespeare Feast?
Tell them, Zyra. Okay, so we're all studying Shakespeare since through 8th grade. And so what we're doing is we're having a big feast of food that they used to eat. And then afterwards we're going to have big performances with like little skits from Midsummer Night's Dream and Julius Caesar. And then after that we're going to present these little projects that all of us did. It's going to be fun.
Okay, so what's on the menu?
Some yummy stuff.
What's special about the salad?
Annabelle, where are you?
Actually, it's from...
Tell Mr. Sellers what's special about the salad.
I can't see it.
The recipe. Tell him about the salad.
It's Elizabethan.
Which means what?
Which means what?
It's a recipe that I found on the website when I made the cookbook for my project.
So some of them made cookbooks for their project, and this is one of the recipes that she found.
Awesome.
read really good.
Very cool, Miss Spalding.
But this is not the man.
I love you so.
If thou hast slain my Sander in his sleep, plunge in the knife and kill me too. It cannot be that thou hast killed him. Where is my Lysander? Ah, good Demetrius, wilt thou give him to me?
I'd rather give this cartridge right now.
Hast thou slain him then? Henceforth be never numbered among men. Hast thou killed him sleeping? Thou wakest, if she be by, thou shalt love her eye to eye. Helena is here at hand, and the youth, mistook by me, pleading for her love. Shall we watch? Lord, what fools these mortals be. Stand aside, the noise they will make across the